Morning, dear students. How are you? Our today's topic is area and perimeter. We can see different objects around us. Every object has its area. Measurement of inside the shape is called its area, and the measurement of in edge of the shapes is called its perimeter. Number of squares inside a shape is called its area, and the distance around the outside of a shape is called its perimeter. Closed figures have different areas. For example, we can find the area of a triangle by multiplying its length and breadth and dividing it by 2. And we can find the perimeter of a triangle by adding all its three sides to get perimeter. Area of a square is equals to length of one side multiplied by length of other side, and the area of parallelogram is equal to length multiplied by breadth. You can find the perimeter of your garden by adding all its sides. Find the area of a basketball ground by multiplying its length by its base or breadth.